have a wig from UniWigs. I want to make a part in the side. I'm going to take my curling iron and I'm just going to make sure that this hair is laying flat. I want to cut this hair in layers just so it can frame my face a little bit more. Get out of my face just a little bit. To layer over here. Now I'm just going to style this right. I'm going to finish the hair off with some finishing oil. This is to keep the flyaways like under control. Hair in my face, it kind of gets annoying, but I don't want to cut it anymore. So what I want to do is take my fingers, put it up like this, and kind of, and while that's setting, I'm going to put some concealer in the part. I finished styling this wig.